Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at some printing options for the CMYK versus CMY. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head into the program here. So now this video or mini series is going to be done with Photoshop. So if you have Photoshop, you can follow along. Maybe in the future we'll do a few different alternatives to Photoshop. But seeing that this is your standard, this will be a good place to start. Now what we're going to be doing in this mini series, we're going to be looking at how can you still get a dark color printed if you do not have black ink in your printer. So there's a little hack we can use where we can actually add dark colors. It won't be pure black or that dark, but it'll still be dark enough so we can see the difference. So I'm just going to swap. This one is our basic CMYK, and if I go to this one over here, this is just CMY. There's no K, but as you can see we have black. It is not 100% black, but it is good enough to print like this and still get a nice result. So that's pretty much what we're going to be running through in this mini series. But in order to do that, there's just a few things we need to set up first. So first thing I want to do is our color picker here on Photoshop. I just want to set this so that we can actually see the K or the CMYK. So in order to do that, I'm just going to zoom in here for you guys. And then let me just fix my zoom quick. So here on the top right, we've got these little lines for our color picker. When our color picker is active, we've got these 4 little lines. I'm going to click on that and it's going to give us a drop down menu of options. So by default it's on a UK cube, but it might be different for you, but just you can see under the list which one we're looking for. If I go down, we're looking here for the CMYK sliders. I'm going to click that and now it has updated our RGB or our U cube to CMYK. So now we can see all the values of that. So now just to make sure it works, I'm going to go to our color picker here on the toolbar and just select that. And then I'm going to go in a dark spot, maybe here where pinky and thumb connects, just between that. Click that and then you can see over here our K currently is 42. So it uses quite a bit of black, but it's not pure black. Now what I'm going to do is let's head over to the one that's just CMY. Then we're going to do the same thing, use a color picker, go between the pinky and thumb here in that little gap. Click that and now you can see we've got 0K. So this little color picker or slider helps so we can confirm that yes, we do not have any K in this image, because sometimes you can convert it wrong and then you still have K where you think you don't. So now we can just confirm. We can see there we've got 0K, but we have a dark color as we can see here on our actual color swatch. We can see, let me just fix my zoom again, we've got a dark color, but there's 0K or 0 black. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the basic setup. We're going to be running through how to go about doing that, going from this result to something similar to this in the next few videos. But before that, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.